Hi everyone, welcome back to the kitchen. Today we're going to be making a delicious lemon dill Dijonnaise. We're going to be using this in an upcoming video for a regional sandwich that I'm going to be making. It's going to be the perfect go along for seafood or fresh chicken salad. You're going to be able to use this as a dip alternative for shrimp or crab or just about anything that you like. This would be great served up with really any of your favorite fried foods like fried pickle chips or mozzarella sticks. Just a little bit something different that you can offer your guests. I can't wait to show you how this all comes together. Today we're going to be making a delicious sauce. I'm calling it a lemon dill Dijonnaise. We're going to be using this to dress a seafood style salad for an upcoming regional sandwich video that I'm going to be making. And this I thought was a really good opportunity to just do a separate video of this sauce. It's kind of like a dressing. It would be great as a dip for shrimp or crab. You can use this for a seafood salad. You know, you can just spread it on a sandwich. It's going to be really, really fresh and delicious. You could make a chicken salad with it. So we're going to get started by using 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise. We use either Hellmann's or Duke's in our house. 1/4 cup of Dijon mustard. In the recipe, I'm calling for 2 tablespoons of freshly minced fresh dill, but I don't grow it. And I could not find any. The dill they had at the grocery store was so sad looking. So this is dill paste that comes in a tube that you can get in the produce section, and this works just fine. We use that in our tzatziki and a couple other recipes, and I really, really like having it on hand in the fridge. So that is approximately a tablespoon of dill paste. We're going to use the juice and zest of 1 lemon, a teaspoon of Worcestershire sauce, and a ½ teaspoon of hot sauce. I've just got a few shakes of Tabasco in there. And we're going to season this up with a teaspoon each of onion powder, garlic powder, and a ½ teaspoon of celery seed. This is really easy. It's really fresh. And it's just a really nice accompaniment for a seafood or a chicken salad. So we get started by just popping that mayonnaise in the bowl along with everything else. So in goes our Dijon mustard, our dill paste, or your fresh dill if that's what you're using. I mean, I would prefer to use that here, but you gotta go with what you can get. Our Worcestershire and hot sauce, and of course the hot sauce is optional, so don't feel like you absolutely have to have that in there. The juice and the zest of 1 lemon, so that's approximately 1/4 cup of juice, and whatever zest is about 2 tablespoons of zest. And all of our dry seasonings. And then just whisk this all together. Get that kind of incorporated so you can get it going. It smells incredible already. And this is just a really great alternative to cocktail sauce. If you guys are gonna put out some cold shrimp or in addition to cocktail sauce, it's sometimes nice to have a creamy option. You know, sometimes they'll serve remoulade with cold crab or shrimp dishes. This is a nice alternative to that. Then I'm gonna give it a taste. Oh, that's nice. Super lemony.
Oh yeah.
Really fresh and delicious. Oh, that's good. You can adjust it to suit your taste. If you don't like as much Dijon mustard in there, you can back it off. Only use 2 tablespoons if you like. You can cut this recipe in half if you like. You can play with it and you can make it your own. So now I'm gonna bring you back in just a minute. I'm gonna show you how I would plate it with some cold steamed shrimp. Well, there you have it. Our lemon dill Dijonnaise all ready to go. I steamed some shrimp earlier, I should say. I cooked it in my pressure cooker. It came out perfect, just like it does every single time. And this is just like the perfect alternative to cocktail sauce, like I said earlier. It's a great option instead of a remoulade, and I'm gonna have Rip give it a try. These have been seasoned with just a little seafood seasoning when they were steamed and a little bit of lemon. So, you ready? Tell me what you think.
That is too good.
Really good?
I'm gonna take this.
Oh, it's gonna be your lunch? That is so good, you guys. So good. I will say, like earlier I said, make this your own. If you want to add a little edge of sweetness here, give it a squeeze of honey and mix that in. It's gonna just meld together with the tanginess of the lemon, the herbaceousness of the dill. It's gonna be a great addition. I hope that you give this lemon dill Dijonnaise a try sometime soon, whether it's for a dip or a seafood salad or a chicken salad, and I hope you love it. And until next time, I'll see ya.